Hello, today we check out the Zynaptiq Balance. I'm going to try to make this video short because I don't think this is something new and unseen completely, but what I like about it is how they handle things and how this plugin is conceptualized. So basically what it is and why you should maybe consider using this and not just an EQ is that this is going to try to have a target curve for whatever you feed it and try to adapt it to a target curve. It doesn't have the option to scan another, let's say, song or a folder of songs and get a target curve from that, but you have quite a set of tools here which can allow you to create a target curve of your own, and then it's going to try to adapt whatever you feed it to that target curve, which means that you could save a preset of whatever target curve you made good and then just reuse it on whatever. So it's quite different than an EQ in that sense, because if you saved a preset on an EQ and just apply it to everything, it doesn't really work that way, does it? This is going to try to adapt every single input signal to fit into the target curve. I'm not going to go through every single parameter here, but what you can do with it is basically you have 4 different tools right here which are helping you shape that target curve. So from all of these tools, first of all, you have like a shelf for your target curve for the bass. You also have a shelf right here for the highs. Then you have the target slope, which is going to just slope this from white noise into pink noise into even slopier red noise, as they call it. And we have this A weight curve that we can use as an A weight curve or even make it into a smiley. So whatever target curve you create right here, it's going to try to adjust whatever you feed it to that target curve, like so. So let me try to track this infinitely, this spectrum of what I'm feeding it. So you can see while it's playing, it's constantly working, constantly changing, adapting to the song. So you could use it in that fashion where it's constantly trying to adapt whatever is playing to the target curve. Or if you want to apply it to a full song where it honestly, a full song is going to have different sections in the song. So maybe sometimes it's going to be a breakdown, sometimes it's not. So you could actually scan it, get a target curve like so when I switch to hold, it's going to hold whatever resulting adjustment curve it got to get my signal to whatever I specified, with all of these parameters. So as I said, what's good about that is this is not kind of like your standard EQ where saving a preset doesn't really do anything. You could save a preset of this curve, of this target curve, and just apply it to whatever kind of signal you want. They also have a lot of presets, and those presets are set to maybe give you some target curves for specifics. So basics, so maybe to a specific type of noise where it's going to be balanced, or you see airy, high nylon, acoustic strum, whatever you find here should be a target curve, a really nice target curve for whatever instrument. And also for stems, you could use this for specific types of music or genres to try to get the curve of whatever genre you want onto your song, the whole song. As you can see in the preset, it was 50%, so you don't have to apply adjustment to the curve that it's trying to achieve to the fullest. You can even go somewhere in the middle, trying to adjust to the curve, but not fully. I like the concept of it, but it's not something you've never seen in any plugin, like match kind of equalizer. What I do like about this is that it's really averaged. You don't want to try to adjust a song to another song with really narrow EQ kind of movements because it's 2 different songs. Even if they are in the same key, that's not what you want. So I think this is a really nice tool to help somebody who's not really sure of target curve they need to apply. Now, it will really be nice if this plugin had a way to capture a target curve of something that you could feed it. Maybe I'm missing that, this can be done. Haven't seen that to be possible, but for what it's worth, what the plugin is offering, I think it's really nice because you can save a preset and just apply that to every single song, let's say in an album, and get like kind of a same balance across your entire album, compilation, whatever you have. Maybe you're even working on a sample pack or whatever you're doing. This could be a really nice tool that you could basically apply as a preset and just get everything to be kind of a same balance. One thing I see is as a problem is that for each one of those source materials, you would have to scan it and then maybe switch to hold, depending on what the source material is. But still, I think it's a really nice thing where you can save a preset and just apply it to something and get that kind of a balance. Now, if there are many terms here you didn't understand, you want to learn more about music production, head on over to mixingacademy.com. I have a course that's completely free thanks to 11.org. And I'll see you in the next video. But before you go, please like if you liked the video, subscribe, comment if you think my classes are stupid, and I see you in the next one.